Hola Mzansi. Welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel. They will bring you only the latest soccer news the way you want them to be. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. So Buffett, according to the news that have been speculating, the multi-billion family are said to be interested in purchasing one of the biggest clubs, of which is Liverpool. So Buffett, earlier this week, Elon Musk's father, Elon Musk, suggested that the Tesla owner was interested in acquiring the more six-time European champions. Speaking to the Times Radio, the father of the entrepreneur was asked whether his son would consider buying the Mercedes. He said, "I can't comment on that. They raised the price." Pushed for an answer, he added, "Oh yes, but that doesn't mean he's buying it. He would like to have it, yes, obviously. Anybody would want so would I." The 70-year-old cited the family's strong ties to the city as a possible reason for the interest in purchasing the club. His grandmother was born in Liverpool, and we have relatives in Liverpool, and we were fortunate to know quite a lot of the Beatles because they grew up in the sum of the family. So we are attached to Liverpool, you know. In 2023, it was understood that the current owners of the 19-time English champion Fenway Sport Group was seeking partial investors. Now it appears the Pretoria-born multi-billionaire may be to kneel on acquiring the club outright. However, according to the Sky FSG, are not actively looking to sell the club at the moment. In the past, SFG owners John Henry revealed that they did not plan on owning Liverpool forever. For now though, it seems they are not eager to sell the club and have yet to receive offers from Musk or anyone else. So Buffetto, please place your thoughts on the comment section about this. I will see you on the next video.